we're doing smoked chicken thighs with our BeaZell's Cajun seasoning coming up. All right, guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm your host, CJ. Today, we're going to be doing some chicken thighs out on the Weber Kettle. We got a little bit of hickory wood in there, adds a nice smoked flavor on there. And guess what? On my trip to New Orleans that I just recently got back from, I purchased tons and tons of seasonings on there. So the first thing we're gonna use, little BeaZell's Cajun seasoning. All right, Papa Texas introduced us to it. I'm loving it. I bought some. We got it on some chicken thighs over here. Really not a whole lot to this cook, so it's gonna be a real quick video. I'm gonna cook these to about 165, maybe 170. I left the skin on. I'm probably gonna peel the skin off when I'm done cooking with. I'm gonna pull the chicken apart. I'm not gonna leave it on the bones. And I think I'm gonna do a little something with it, maybe a little chicken and dumplings with it. I like the idea of smoked chicken and chicken and dumplings. So look out for that future video. And in case I do make that, here's the link. All right, guys, we'll get you over here. We'll season these up right, and then we're gonna get out on the Weber Kettle. All right, come on back. Guys, there ain't a real ingredients list for this. We got BeaZell's, Cajun seasoning, chicken thighs, Weber Kettle. That's it, guys. All right, guys, getting some nice color on these bad boys. Got some temp going. I think we got a ways to go on these bad boys. Yeah, we're not climbing very much. Oops, that lighting right. I'm around that bone there. Yeah, we still got a ways to go. Alright, come on back. Alright, guys, we're gonna check if these chicken are about done. You really have to interrupt every video we do? Huh? Alright, let's get back to these chicken. Alright. Stick that in there. How we doing? Sorry, a little drippage going in the background from the air conditioning. Come on, 165. Looks like we still need a little bit more time. It's not jumping like we'd hoped. There we go. That one's a winner right there. That one's done. See that one jumping. Woo, got it right over the fire, 160. Alright, that needs a little bit more time. This last one over here. Jumping. Alright. I think we're gonna go ahead and get these pulled and let them rest for a bit. Alright, come on back. Alright, guys, so right about here is where I lost the audio on my usual taste test part of my videos. This chicken turned out awesome. I love that BeaZell's Cajun seasoning. Thank you to Papa Texas for introducing it to me. Guys, his link is below in the description. Hit show more. Tell him I sent you. I appreciate you guys all stopping by. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Have a great day. And thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.